at work, and I just cannot wait to open this. My Beautylish beauty bag box. Whatever. This is my Beautylish. I've been waiting for this for a whole month. Cannot wait to open it. So I'm just gonna jump right in. If you wanna know what this is, I'll leave all the info down below. I'm gonna get cutting. If you hear noises in the background, I'm sorry. I just cannot wait until my house is quiet to see what's inside. This is the first thing. So this is my first thing. This Jewelry Best of Lip Topper Collection. Right? This already fell from it. This is an Oribe Mystify Restyling Spray. Focus. 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 There you go. No, still. Focus. There you go. Yes. This item that everyone has been getting as well. So this is the Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Serum. Right there. This is what I think it is. We got a Natasha Denona. Please, camera, don't do this to me. Come on. There you go. Camel palette. This is really pretty. Wear, right? Really pretty. Now, one more thing. So this Cover FX Shimmer Veil. And this is in the shade Magic. And I think I already have this. There. Yep, I'm pretty sure I already have it. And last, I think this is the last thing. This is a Sonia G brush. Let me just pick it out. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Right there. This is very soft. Okay. Is that it? I think that's it. I'll just double check. Yeah, it was just a lot of paper. I don't think I'll ever use this just because this is not my style to like use lip toppers. I'm gonna open it so you can just take a look at it. This is, oh shoot. Okay, 1 second. This is really nice. So you can see these are like very nice colors for lip toppers. It's just not what I would normally wear. So I'm going to pass this along to somebody else. The Natasha Denona palette is actually very, very pretty as well. It's very nice. But I have so many palettes that have this same shades, so probably, hello, can you focus? Hello? I'll probably also pass it to somebody else. This Good Molecules Eye Serum. It looks interesting, but I have very sensitive eyes, and whenever I put like weird products on my eyes, they tend to get puffy. I tend to have like allergic reactions. So I'm dropping everything. I'm very hesitant to actually try these. It says formulated with caffeine and pumpkin extra to brighten, firm, and depuff. This brush, this is just a regular eyeshadow brush. I would like to know like what's so nice and special about it. And then these cover effects, I already have these. This is very pretty. This is a very pretty shade, but I have this already. So, and for the Oribe, yeah, I'm not interested in this. I know a lot of people got Super Lucky boxes. Oh my god, stop! But I guess I didn't get a Super Lucky one. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you got. If you got this lucky bag, let me know if you got a super lucky bag. I actually tried to get the extra large and it was sold out in 2 minutes. It was in my cart. I went to check out, gone. So I'll see if I have better luck next year. Last year's lucky bag also was not really good. So I was hoping to have a better one. I mean, this is not horrible. I got a Natasha Denona palette. But anyways, thank you so much for watching me being stupid in here and unboxing this, and I will see you in my next video.